Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. We're finally going to get this wicker bill put on. I'm going to take off the old and put on the new. These are getting kind of dusty sitting around here, so it's time to get them put on. I'll get this out of the way. On this, I put a stud on there so you can find your holes and line up over here on this side to install it, so this side won't move while you screw it into this side. And I also got it's like a rubber gasket I've already installed on here. That's to help keep the rain and stuff out. So we're about ready to put this on the car. I got this wicker bill from eBay. I got it from Extreme Online Store. You can get them in the wicker bill either in aluminum, or you can get it in carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a little bit more, like $100 more. But I put the aluminum one back on there. It raised it up higher. The carbon fiber is drilled where it's just level with the top of the spoiler. So it's about time to go out and get this put on the car. I'm gonna have to, the holes don't quite line up, so I'm gonna have to drill the holes out just a little bit bigger on the car. So we'll do that now. Okay, we're out here at the car now, and these holes got to be drilled out just a little bit bigger. So this right here where that plastic piece went into, so we'll drill out these 4 holes here. The ones on the ends don't go up through the spoiler, so we'll have to get something to cover them over with. If this is not quite big enough, we'll have to drill it another size bigger. Okay, we'll stick this thing down on there. Put the stud down into this side. And we'll work on this other side. Raise it up. See if we have our holes lined up close enough. I think it's gonna work. Keeping a hold of it so it don't, make sure it don't fall off. That magnetic socket sure does make it nice to not have to worry about it falling off. Yeah, the holes just wasn't quite lined up enough to get it through there. Now we can pull the stud out. Let's see if I can get it. Nope. Okay, get some pliers and get this stud out of here. This sure makes it a lot easier when you have one over on one side while you're working on the other side. So keep everything lined up. Just buy a bolt that fits into them threads Wow, that's still not gonna be lined up, don't look like. I'm gonna loosen up these bolts that I've got put in there to see if I can shift it over a little bit, because it sure don't look like it's gonna be able to get a bolt in there. Let's see if I can shift it over a little bit. If not, I'm gonna have to take it back off. We'll try it and see what it's gonna do. Looks like it went in. Good deal. Back up. One more to go. Wow. Sure don't want that falling down in there. This right in here is what I was talking about. See how the spoiler comes up? And it don't. There's no bolt hole under there. I'll show you what it would look like. You wouldn't want a bolt running up through there like that, up into the spoiler, so we'll have to get something to cover them over with. Another bolt with a rubber washer on it. Put it up through there, and then we can put our covers back on it. But we can go ahead and get it finished up. Put these covers back on it. Okay, we've got all these back in. Everything is all good to go.